because you love it, you're already successful. You're already successful.
Right.
You already made it because you love what you do. And you do it well. And you do it well.
Exactly.
Man, I was already wealthy. Man, and then I put the pen to paper. Yeah, my first joint was kind of hot, son. And referring to incidents occurring in past times when the beats of my profession, I had no rounds. When the day times changed, the sort of my will, that's when I made my journey up the MC Hill. To take my first step forward and leave behind my past. Have to put my future first, everything else last. My first round was unacceptable, but that soon changed by taking parts of the words with them rearranged to make the plot interesting. Yo, my first rhyme, 83.
83?
83.
You know, it was my first rhyme when I was 9.
83. Crazy, huh?
That
He
shit.
blessed me. He blessed me. He didn't give me money. He didn't give me bitches on my dick. But he gave me a cool ass personality and a gift. Oh, that's crazy. He didn't give me money. He gave me bitches on my dick. He gave me a cool ass person. So I get on my shit and talking. He didn't give me money. He ain't made me rich. He gave me cool ass. He gave me bitches on my dick. Cool ass personality and bitches on my dick. He didn't give me money. I was already rich. He gave me cool ass personality. I get it by talking.
That's what's up,
real conversation.
Appreciate this shit, man.
That's dope, man.
I appreciate it.